goes against what you were saying in Saganada. Like them fucking packy politicians.
Times. The cup window is opening soon, so all the teams will be looking to move up to qualify.
Yeah,
right.
Everybody will be trying to.
Oh, we've got another one.
Where they'll be confident and playing well, entering that cup window, starting now.
No, through. Oh, sorry.
Across the field to try and switch the play.
The fuck is he doing?
Are you red, Zeke?
No, I'm blue.
Are you blue?
Go on, lad.
Holy. Oh, lucky man. Brilliant run. Finish it, man. Finish it. Oh my days. Come on, boys.
Unlucky, yeah.
Good move. That. Oh, it's only start of the game.
I know, yeah.
Blown the whistle after a challenge like that. Maybe he's just
wasn't you, bro.
Oh shit!
That wasn't me.
Oh, it's him.
Yes.
Oh, it's their player. Look at his face. Look at his face.
He deserves it for that, man. He fucking deserves it for that.
He deserves it just for the way he's
Look, he
fucking.
didn't even do anything. He didn't actually do anything. He actually walked into the back of that player.
No, that face though.
Don't fuck that.
Bro.
Bro.
I think.
No, it was. Yeah, the ref had enough of me in that place, man.
I think the ref couldn't take it no more.
Yo, that brutal, bro.
I think the ref just couldn't take it no more, lad. Call it, somebody call it. Oh, yeah, I think the ref just couldn't take it, man. Simple as.
Bro, when you imagine Gorilla Tits here, imagine it looks like that.
Oh shit!
Wait, how is he still in? How is he still playing?
That's another one!
Oh, it's another one. What the fuck?
What the fucking brothers?
Looking silly there. From so far out with a
Yeah, bro.
Oh my god. Bro, he got a fucking shot though.
Yo,
he got a shot.
One of them's a player and one of them's just fucking shit, man.
Yo, I'm blue. Who's red?
Guy though, bro.
Who's red?
It's,
Oh, fuck it, that's me.
Come on. Oh.
We have to win this.
Yo, these are fucking taking the piss, man.
10 players deep and they're still fucking running there.
Bro, they banged one in. Oof.
It's a decent cross.
Oh yes! Oh fuck!
oh, beautiful crossing.
No.
No, you're not cracking me up.
Man. That was a brilliant move.
Sonny goes, imagine Gorilla Tits looks like that.
nice bit of footwork from the attacker. It was made too easy for him. Poor defending there.
My man's fucking pissing about. Oh shit.
Referee, calm down, ref. Just calm down. Ref.
Looks like he's gonna cry. Oh shit! Sonny, you're off.
That guy was trying to get you sent off, man.
Sonny, you're off, bro. Sonny's off.
Oh shit, they nearly scored again.
Yo, the guy can
Yo, Sonny, take control of another player, lad.
I can't, lock me out of the match.
Don't fuck about.
Yeah.
No.
Tussle between the two.
Landing.
Try and get
Oh
the ball.
shit. Fucking 10v10,
Yo, this
man.
referee is harsh, bro.
Oh my god.
The referee is fucking on it, man. The referee is on it on another level. Fucking hell. This referee, one little tackle, bro, and he's on it. We better be careful for the rest of the match.
Yo, 10 players, you know, fucking. I didn't think I'd get a red for that, you know, to be honest.
Yeah, at least we have rolled.
Come on, boys, that's it. Finish it. Oh, what a ball. Umar is all that.
That's a goal.
Come on. Oh, I thought you were going to pass it up there. Oh, good move. Right, front post, boys, front post.
Yo.
Oh, fuck's sake. Finish.
And again.
Finish. Oh, yes.
Yes. Fuck you lot, you pricks. AI, man.
Here's the AI, but I pressed
He's even
finish.
celebrating like that. Look at that play.
Do you know, I actually pressed
Even they're linking up, man.
I know, yeah.
Even AI's linking up there. What's going on?
I'm looking at the play. Now what?
Someone get him up.
Now what? What's happening?
You can't believe it. You can't believe it, Sean. He's taking another look.
Yo, this match is fucked up.
It's had everything, man.
And again, through.
The AI is scoring.
Played, get in.
Oh, in goes
They're
the
gone.
cross.
Go on. Oh, my, oh, penalty!
Penalty.
Yes.
What?
Yes. Huh?
Free kick.
What the?
Free kick.
Oh, I'm taking. Who's taking it? Oh, it's right. Crossing it. Hold on, one sec.
Yellow card here, which
What's
increases
the-
the pressure on this
Welcome to
particular
Division
player.
3, boys.
Discipline-wise, they've not been at the best. Taking
Oh,
life.
two
Them
points,
two
two
did red cards, fucking shoulder barge in the guy.
The referee gave that red card just for looking at him. That first one, bro.
Just for that face.
Yo, referee's gonna end up fucking red carding everyone and fucking a home.
Obviously, the ref wants it early night.
Yo.
Oh shit! And then the AI player. The AI player's diving in.
The opposition using the wider areas here.
Yo,
Our
bro,
boys
your
are
settings have not got an aggression mode or something. Yo,
Supported
these
there,
man
seems
are
to
on
be
fucked up
getting
balls.
on to
Super aggression, but
receive it.
dashing our legs.
Bro. Their face said it all, man.
Yo, that nice face though, lad. I'm not even alive, bro. That was
Bro, even this guy. Even this.
Oh,
See the one that took the shot? Even his face,
Yeah.
man, they look the same, you know.
Good place to win
Go
the
on,
ball
boys.
back there.
Yo,
But everyone's come back for that.
Everyone.
Everyone's come back. Let's go. Go.
It was timely to say the least.
Fuck's sake.
Yes, lad.
That's it.
Why
Oh.
was he lifting his leg? You're like Bruce
That's
Lee.
making the run.
Sorry, man.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
What the fuck was that? What did he just do there?
And that's broken up by the defender before the cross could come in.
Yo, what is
Oh
he
my
doing?
god, where is it? Give it ball to me.
What are they doing? Oh my days.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Somebody just. Oh, he's off. He's off.
shit,
He's
send
off.
the prick off,
He's
send
the
him off.
second one. He's the second one. He's off. He's off. He's off.
Off. Don't walk over the ref, he's trying to push us in, yo. Oh,
Look at his face. Look at his face.
dude, that's chilling, like he's not done anything. He's just walking away incognito.
How important he is to them because
What's
he's
this?
one of the best
He's
finishers
done a
around.
fucking
They
nasty foul, and then he's walking away. Look at that.
It's a reckless one.
Yo, that ball was gone. That ball was on the other side of the pitch. And he's complaining about it as well.
Taking the fucking piss, lad.
This is done.
Oh my days, that's it.
Oh,
Get the fuck off,
come
man.
on,
You know
man.
what? Just as I was making game
Trying to
off,
play football here. It's not fucking UFC.
Yellows, man.
this ref is taking the piss, man.
Back on it. He had no choice at all.
Ref is fucking deadly. Get in the box, boys.
Are we going in the box? Hold on. Okay, go. In the box, straight in the middle. Oh, we've got it. Bro.
Is it only half time? Fuck.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Perhaps will it come back in?
Nah.
No, you fucking banned me, man. Fucking prick referee.
Oh, you wanna switch? You wanna switch the formation? Leave it away and put me. Just have like two people up front in the middle because Sully's out.
Yo, bro, is there any chance you can save my replay of when I got sent off? Yo, that's fucking joke.
Wrong. This is broadcasting, man. It's all saved.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful, bro. That's
We're gonna have to tell me what to name this match, bro. I'm gonna put this match separate.
You're left forward, yeah? Left centre forward.
Who?
Umber's left.
Oh, listen,
left centre forward.
guys, I'm gonna save this match individually to our broadcast, so I need to know what to save it as.
Alright, sweet.
Think of Sully, think of some names, bro. That fucking Bujo face, man. He's gonna get fucked.
Yo, that's so bro. That's how the ugliest FIFA player I've ever seen, man. Yo, fucking deeper and a half, man.
Is that guy there? Is that guy with the white hair as well?
Goalkeeper is there
Oh
for
my
him, and he's played it to him.
Bujo kicked it off, man.
Oh, yeah, so I smashed it.
It's a free kick.
For fuck's
What?
sake.
I never
Be careful, boys. There's so many yellow
ref
cards
is-
in this match at the moment.
This ref's just left a whistle in his mouth, man. It's constantly going at
Following me, say, man.
But he didn't.
Go on, Z.
Yeah, that's it.
Vandenberg.
Oh, for fuck. Down, down. Come here. Oh,
Yo, you know one thing I'm cracking about their team? They don't know what to do now, you know, because they're missing that one guy in it.
Pass coming
Listen
in.
in, yeah.
It's a little bit confused, though.
Maybe he can push the team forward
days,
with his
man.
work
Well,
on
these
the
all
ball.
bots, man. Let's start calling it. That's it. I'm gonna take it.
Oh, I smashed it.
I've got a great understanding of this team. Just look at the
Finish.
Oh,
Oh, for fuck's sake. That was sick play. Bro, that was sick play. We had it.
I should have hit it across ball.
Let me go for it. Let me go for it.
6-yard box.
Hold on, come on.
Go past him.
Yeah, go on. Nice one. Oh, for fuck's sake. Too close.
Oh!
Oh, I should have got that.
Yeah, I thought he was.
No, Bujo's here.
Would you done it, bro?
How
Oh,
the
he's kept
fuck
it
did
in.
he keep that on? Fucking ref, man. Call the throwing, you prick.
Fry.
Come on, lad.
Go
Cross
for
it,
it.
cross it. Oh.
Go on, boys.
No, that was for almost, sorry. That was-
That was a chance to
Omar,
really
what do
get
you
in
think,
at the
man?
goalkeeper, running off
How
the
do
defender, but
you
he's run offside.
how do you think it's played so far tonight?
Purples.
Yeah,
Wicked, man.
enjoying it, yeah.
Focus is sick, man. You can't fucking play.
It's alright, innit?
Yo, Omar's got to be buzzing, man. He just seen the dirtiest match ever, bro. Red card and
Getting
turn
possession back for his team.
Some players looking like fucking dirt.
Cheeky tried the back
Bro,
heel.
that is an ugly face,
Might
though,
come
man. I
off.
don't care what you say, lad. That is a fucking nasty face.
He's cut out that pass. It wasn't an accident. He read the mind of the
Don't laugh.
opponent.
Because in man's face, that's taking the piss.
Yo, I just see
You
now,
know-
I go, yo, he's like, yo, see his face, yo, check his face, lads. I'm like, yo, looking at his face. Okay, you know.
Shots on here. Another good effort. The team
What a shit
really
guy, just trying to
battling
look,
to take the lead. At the moment, it's still all
Bro,
square.
he's gonna get sent off, man. I'm telling you.
Yep. You better get sent on. It's fucking.
Oh, who's injured?
Me.
Oh, yeah. Someone's immune.
Look at this guy's face. And I'm injured, bro.
Presenting possession to the
Yo, what?
opposition now.
Oh, look. Oh,
Oh, just
fuck.
playing it.
Did you see the run?
Yeah, I saw you run. I want to play it central.
Go on, bro. Yes, that's the
Yeah, I
one.
called it.
That's it now.
Oh, for fuck's sake, man. Do you see that? What?
Keep going.
Pulling on
No,
shit.
it just fucking pulled me. Yeah, it just fucking pulled me.
Miles offside.
Got Smoon. Got Smoon, the fucking ugly duckling.
Now it goes into the wider areas where they've got a winger waiting. Vandenberg.
Man got done, you know. Ugly duckling. Okay, there. Got murdered.
Come on, man.
Oh. Yeah, Omar, it helps that, you know, like,
Here comes
we're
the
all on the
counter-charge
same
now from
wavelength
them.
as well, innit?
Oh, for fuck's
Careful
sake.
now, boys.
This might be it.
Oh, for fuck's sake, man.
Super time to
Not
go.
having high
In
pressure.
front now.
Fucking prick.
To be honest, we didn't have any players back either.
Oh, yeah. Who
I
scored
should have
it?
gone defensive.
The way
Who
he's
scored it?
dispatched it first
should've gone
time talks
defensive
of
with
a
some
man
other
playing with
dickhead.
plenty of confidence.
Yeah.
Off we go again, 2-1.
I'm making me run, man. Fuck it.
He's moved in trying to jostle the opponent off his
Go.
stride.
Oh, play it.
Oh.
Go.
Look at that, man. The ref don't do fuck all for it.
Now this could be interesting. Pushing numbers forward in this
Oh, not got Smoon
counter-attack.
again.
Oh my
no
my
way.
God, AI
no,
getting
oh
in
my
his way, man.
fucking days,
Yeah,
man.
getting my
AI aren't doing fuck all, man. That's done. They're looking at his face. They're looking at his face and they don't know where to turn.
Exactly what he
Yeah,
wants to do.
you know what? That guy didn't want to celebrate with him.
No, Bro, would you celebrate? Bro, would you
not
celebrate if you had a face like that though? Really? Nah, exactly.
Right, man.
Take a shot, take a shot.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
Made the
I
block.
had it. I wanted that. Oh, stay on it, stay on it. Played.
Yes.
Alright, boys, we
So
got
we'll
9 minutes to
restart with
score
a
2
throw-in.
goals. 1 second.
Z says it so positively, you're like, yo, what's fucking good, man?
It's been all starts.
Got enough problems, bro. Got to focus on Gus Moon on his fucking face. 10
7
player
minutes to
deep.
go. Vice.
Pass it.
Ooh, what ball?
Finish.
Take by the
Oh,
goalkeeper, but no pressure on him.
I was on back.
oof.
That's it. Take a shot, bro.
Oh, damn it.
Come on, man.
Able to make
Come on,
a
guys.
good interception.
That's that these passes. Come on.
Come on, lads.
They're grateful for
look
that
at
to
him, say.
have an
Fucking
intervention
Gus Moon
like
again.
that and get back on
Fucking
the
hell.
ball when they're
Yes,
defending so
lads.
much.
Oh. What?
And here's the shot. Good play, this positive play to try and increase their lead.
Oh, that face, bro. I can't get over that face, man. His brother was worse, though.
Yes, man.
That's the referee's
His
decision.
brother was
2
like, that's
added
turn off your
minutes.
ears.
This guy is actually the looker in the
Oh,
family.
yeah.
She's offside, sorry.
He wants to play on the shoulder of the
He's
last
actually
brother
the
was a
looker of the
fucking-
family.
Just got to get it right. It's all about timing.
My man just got ripped.
Well,
On another level.
Yo,
Nice.
man.
Oh, what's keep? Oh.
Oh.
Vandenberg.
For fuck's
Well, that's the
sake.
end of the game. And
Oof.
it's over at
Oh my
3-1.
days, what a game.
That referee was a prick, though, bro.
What a
No,
dickhead.
sent
That
me up
referee
for some
took that
fucking
piss,
minor kid.
That
They'll probably
referee
come
took
up
the
on
absolute
replays now.
piss.
Nah, that
I'm gonna
referee
go to the
slapped,
highlights.
man.
Let me
Yo,
go to.
that-
He got a red card in it. Let me see that first red card. One sec.
Yeah, check the replay, man. Check my red card. Was it legit?
The referee's
I'm checking the replay of
blown
that
the
red
whistle
card.
after a challenge.
Oh shit.
And it's a red card, and the
Was
referee not even considering that it's so early. Some referees used to do that, maybe.
Bro, look at his name was
This man,
Makaleli.
he's dismissed the player.
Bro, his face.
50-50. He could have given a yellow, but he looked at it and by the letter of the law.
I've just seen his face. Oh shit. Toba.
Yeah, his face looked like one side of it looked like it was gonna drop to the side, man.